Uh, okay, so welcome to another video slash market breakdown slash update slash whatever you want to call it. So today's the 20th of August, Tuesday, and the time is 12 o'clock. This is now South African time. So yeah, this is basically an update of last week, uh, of the Euro USD trade I took last week, and uh, a quick update of how the markets are looking and what I'm looking at currently. You know, so this is live conditions. Market is moving. So yeah, so let's first go to Euro USD. So Euro USD ended up taking profit early Monday, so which was yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday. So Euro USD took my take profit yesterday, and we entered most around here. This is where we entered. We entered here somewhere. So TP was hit around these levels here. So what we were expecting was that price was going to take TP and pull back to this 4 hour slash daily imbalance to then continue the move higher. But then initially price didn't do that, as you can clearly see. Price just continued rocketing to the upside. So meaning this, don't want to say it's invalid, but this setup currently, uh, this setup currently that we were waiting for, I think it's kind of invalid. So that's why I'm saying, like, the market conditions this week are kind of tricky, but then at the same time, market has clear intentions, because if we go back to the daily time frame, which is the time frame we use to determine our POIs, and yeah, so if we go to the daily, price has left this. So this, remember now, this was the 4 hour. So to me, it's kind of like useless now. So on the 4 hour, price is very bullish. But then on the daily, we can see that price just recently, yesterday, broke this high with momentum. And this momentum shows me that price wants to continue higher. So in that regard, price has a clear sense of direction, and it has clear intentions to where it's going, which is this throw I have here on the weekly time frame, which is a previous monthly high or weekly high. So what I expect now is that if price is to close today with this bullish without invalidating this line here, so this would be my invalidation point on the daily. So if price closes above this, then tomorrow I am likely to mark this as my new imbalance. So let's say price closes around, so let's say this candle comes and closes maybe around here. So let's make it black. So let's say price comes, closes around this level, then I'll mark this as my new daily imbalance over here, and then I will expect price to continue higher off of this, maybe tomorrow, tap and then continue higher. So if that prints, then I might be interested, but if it doesn't, I'll be looking for this, for price to come to this one, to tap this one. But if this one also fails, then I'm likely to stay off the markets. That's Euro USD. So I'm likely to stay off Euro if price is to dump invalidate both these imbalances here, then maybe that would be a sign for bearishness, in which that's not what I'm currently looking for. But I would adapt, but like, it's not what I'm looking forward to at this point in time. I expect price to come tap these areas tomorrow maybe and continue higher. So that's the setup I have to going to this week, because it's only Tuesday today. Market hasn't moved much, even though it has moved, but it hasn't moved much to a point where I can say the move of the week is complete. So this could be like only the start of the week. So price opens with volume, comes back and retests this area here or this area, and then continues higher. So that's the setup I have for Euro. And yeah, the trade did hit TP on regards to the update that I said, and I will do attach the screenshots as usual. So yeah, that's Euro, and let's go to GU. GU, I think GU did the same thing. GU did the same thing. GU continued higher without tapping us in. So yeah, that's another sign that price has clear intentions of taking this liquidity here above, but then it's not offering the opportunities. But again, it's only the start of the week. It's only Tuesday, so we can't just say price is now not going to give us any opportunity. Price might still give us some opportunity because price could still close with this bullish fair value gap over here. You see, so let's delete this one. Let's delete this. Delete this because I don't think price might pull back that deep unless if price is going to close this this daily here. So currently price is at the candle 3 formation, so now we're expecting for price to close like this today. That's what I expect. I expect price to close like this, leave this daily fair value gap over here, and then tomorrow what I would be expecting is that price is going to come here, tap, give me an M15 confirmation, and then I'll target the highs. So that could be an easy 1:5 for me. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Price to come back to a POI that I have on a higher time frame, because currently price is trending to me. Price is trending and it has a clear intention. So all I want to do is wait for price to pull back to an area of interest or a POI or whatever you want to call it, and then continue the move higher, because I have a clear draw on liquidity, which is on a higher time frame. So yeah, it's very, very simple. Nothing too hectic, as usual. So yeah, but initially the whole move, we entered this move here, and we've been expecting this bullishness. So yeah, that's it for GU and EU. So going into other currencies, on UJ I have nothing much. So also Nasdaq, there's nothing I'm looking forward to. I think it was gold and USD that I had. I had some I had my eyes on some POIs. So with gold, we can also say gold is very, very bullish at this point in time, but we also want to be aware that price might give off a huge pullback, because price is taking all-time highs. So we have to be aware. But currently, we want to play on the bullishness. So currently, we can clearly see. Let's start this over from now, this area. So currently we are in this leg. So that's the high, that's the low. This is the low and that's the high. So if you take your fib, you can clearly see that price is at a premium. So currently, if we want to buy, we want to wait for price to pull back to at least discount prices. So what we're going to wait for is that pullback. So that pullback is either going to be at the 50% or at the 78%. So either one of these areas, I'm interested in looking for buys to continue this move to the upside. So yeah, that's basically what I see in gold. For gold to just come back to some discount pricing, maybe this daily fair value gap over here, to then continue the move. So yeah, nothing crazy, just simple setup. Pull back to this daily and a continuation entry, easy. So yeah, and then USD CHF. Let's see. USD CHF. We'd have to go back to the weekly to actually see what's actually happening. So we can clearly see over here that price had tapped in this weekly over here, tapped and rejected. This is a clean rejection, and to me this is a clear sign that price wants to come and take these lows over here. So this would be my first target, this low. So this would be the high.